Hello, madams and sirs. Today I'm going to talk about how an employee can log into the ERP and check the dashboard for the personal information. So, greetings to all. I am Santosh Kumar Sahu, computer teacher of OAV Hathiota Palasra Ganja. So, let's start all the steps in the browser one by one. So, first click on Start button, then find the browser that is installed in your computer. Yeah, here I tell you the browser in your computer, because many of our colleagues, they are trying to open the browser in their mobile phone and to open the ERP, but maybe the ERP website is not activated for the mobile browser. That's why when you open the website, the website will open, but the problem is you cannot enter the user ID and password because the username and the password box are disabled in mobile browser. That's why I suggest all of my colleagues to open the computer browsers in your computer or laptop or desktop computers. So in your computer, when you open the browser, in the address box type the URL oav.edusols.com, then hit enter in the keyboard. After that, you can see the website. Then here enter your username. In this case, I'm using one of my colleagues' user ID and password so that she can manage to learn all these things for herself. So thanks to my colleague who shared her password and user ID so that I am able to make this tutorial. So after entering the password, you can select the Vidyalaya, then enter the CAPTCHA. After that, after filling all the information over here, click on sign in button. So when you click on sign in button, here you can find select academic session here. So the session starts from 2016, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20 and 2021. But right now the current session 2021 not started, so I click over here 2019 and 20. Because of lockdown, we haven't started the current session, so I click on this 2019 and 20 session. After that, click on the proceed button. So when you click on the proceed button, here you can find the dashboard. In this dashboard, here you can find the attendance. So every day the teacher have to take the attendance. Right now our school is closed because of the lockdown, so I don't want to teach you how to make the attendance here, but we have a lot of work. Like many of the colleagues, they haven't entered their marks, so here you can find mark entry, and in this section you can find which classes the colleagues are teaching. So here the colleague Kavita Das, Hindi teacher, so TGT Hindi, so she is teaching in class 6, 7 and 8. So that's why here you can find the class with section 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B and 8A, 8B like this, and here you can find the mark entry. So suppose you want to enter the mark for class 8, section A. So here you can see in this place you can find the mark entry button. So click on the mark entry button. So when you click on mark entry button, you can find there is a new page displayed. In this place there is nothing, but here you can find serial number, roll number, admission number, name, mark or grade, all are blank. So don't worry, here it is blank because we haven't mentioned the exam name. So come to the right side, here you can find this panel, and in this panel you can click the examination name. So click on the select button, then you can find annual, half yearly, notebook, notebook 1, many all the different type of exam. Suppose we want to upload all these marks one by one in annual exam, then click on annual. So when you click on annual, you can find all the class 8 section A students appeared here, displayed the name with their admission number and roll number and serial number, and here you can enter all the marks one by one. So after entering all the marks, suppose here you can say this is 10, this is 10, or this is 20, or suppose this is 30. I'm just making a sample, but I don't want to enter. You can do all these things by yourself. So after entering all the marks of the students, you can see here there is another button, that is submit button in the blue color. So when you click on submit button, then all the marks will be submitted. So this is the method to enter the marks for a particular exam, for a particular class. So I don't want to update the marks because I don't know how much marks he have given to her students. So I just show you here the method how to enter the mark and click on submit. So in this method you can enter all the marks one by one, but if you want to enter a bulk update, then you can click here mark upload in Excel. So for this one I will make another tutorial, but right now you can follow this method to enter the marks of the students one by one. So I'm closing this part. Then we'll check how to know the personal information. For that you can click on here academic, then you can click on the faculty activity, and after that you can find here the dashboard. Click on the dashboard. Here you can find the leave summary, year, month, week, holiday list, all these things with the calendar. Maybe the ERP is not updated very well yet, that's why you cannot find the accurate information, but day by day when we enter more and more data, then the ERP information will be more accurate. So here you can find the profile of yourself, attendance, leave, time sheet, appointments, HR docs, and in this section you can report card, you can generate the report cards. Click on the activity button, then you can find here report card. So when you click on report card, all the marks you have entered you can find here, and in this place you can find the generate button. So for this one I will make another tutorial, so don't worry about this. How to make a report card I will show you in different tutorial. So for now we have learned how can we enter the marks and how to check the personal information. That's all for this tutorial. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.